Hey guys, it's Miss Swack. Just wanted to give you all a little morning greeting on this, our last week of school. Can you believe you actually survived this year? It's been such a crazy year, especially with this last quarter of it. I missed you so much over the last quarter, I can't even explain. I mean, it just so much. I miss seeing your faces every day. I miss seeing, interacting with you, and just all the fun that we had. Just to give you kind of a preview of what is coming up this week, you'll notice all of you have a folder like this in your classwork tab of your Google Classroom. Couple of things. One, because technically the last day of school is not until the 22nd, you do still need to do attendance every single day, Tuesday through Friday. It's just like our normal attendance things. Get on there. There are a couple of questions to answer and turn it in. That's how I will be taking attendance this week. The last thing is this activity links for optional activities. Okay, let me state these activities are optional. You don't have to do any of them if you choose not to. It is completely up to you what you want to do. But we gave you some links of some things that you can do this week if you really want to, or that you can do over the summer break. Especially now that, traveling and vacations and all that's really restricted, you might get a little bored. So you might want to do a few things on this list. At the very top are things that are math related. There are lots of websites that have multiple games, multiple things that you can do to just sort of keep you up on your math as you're going throughout the summer. Okay. Below that are some things that are just really for fun. There are 3 different escape rooms, one that is Harry Potter related because, well, it's me. But the other 2 just deal with end of the year kind of things. Make sure you watch the videos and read those directions carefully so that you know what to do. If you go through that and you want to do those and you're not, you're kind of having trouble and you're not getting the right codes to move on and things like that, feel free to send me a message at any point and I'll see what I can do for you. There's also Pottermore right now. Pottermore is the website for all things Harry Potter. And right now they actually have a really cool thing. Book 1 is being read by basically the famous actors and actresses that have been in the movies. Like chapter 1 is read by Harry Potter himself, Daniel Radcliffe. It's just kind of cool to listen to those audiobooks. Enjoy your summer. Have a really, really restful time. Enjoy whatever it is you plan to do this summer. And then you guys will rock next year. I know you will. You'll be awesome. Come by and see me at some point. I'd love to see you. Take care.